I'm hitting a stinger through my minivan with every club in my bag. Today, I'm using the driver. Next up will be the putter. We're gonna try and attempt to set a world record for the furthest distance of hitting a golf ball through a car. I have it measured out to 72 feet. I'm a 13 handicap and this is pretty sketchy. Let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness.
You did.
Let's go.
Woo!
We just hit a driver through the minivan. Unofficial world record, 72 feet. The high I get from these videos is unreal. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for watching.